The Congress of the Philippines will put the Constitution on a very peculiar situation. They are now locked into an impasse. Now, who can unravel that? Either you go to the Supreme Court, if there is a case, and get an interpretation. But to me, there is no need, because we have the precedents of Arab and Corona's impeachment.
How do we get the impeachment back on track? How do we fix this?
Well, let it continue. Did the House accept the remanding of the impeachment trial, impeachment case?
They have not. They have not.
That is the dilemma. That is the dilemma.
How do we go beyond partisan politics and make it about accountability? Because it should be about accountability.
The only two ways that I can see would be for the Supreme Court to make an interpretation which will become a part of our jurisprudence and in turn becomes a part of the law of the land, to define and clarify that portion of the Constitution. The second one is amend the Constitution. There's no other way. It's very, some people may think that this is a very light problem for the country. No, sir. We are in a very dangerous situation right now. Because if there is an impasse, the Senate cannot command the House to do anything. They are co-equal. Neither can the House command the Senate to do anything. The House did its function. They conducted hearing. They found something wrong. You may not agree with them, but they found that, and they submitted to the Senate for resolution. The Senate is supposed to do its job with reasonable speed. What the Constitution says, forthwith. Anybody can understand that English. And they did not do it. They tarried, and then dilly-dallied, and then worse, they turned it back to the House and commanded the House, which is improper and parliamentary, to do something that they have done. You must give a presumption of regularity to the other House. You cannot demand or command the other House, which is your co-equal.